Assalamualaikum, this is Pushpa for Solving Academic Coaching Center. Today, I'm presenting a pie chart in front of you which is about household chores done by our family members. So let's get started.
Assalamualaikum, this is Arman from Solving Academic Coaching Center. Today, I'm going to explain a pie chart about household chores done by the family members. Let's check it out.
First of all, my mother. The red one is my mother. Half of the chores are done by my mother. Cooking, cleaning furniture, mop the floor are done by my mother. Then, my father. The green one is my father. 25% of chores are done by my father. Cleaning fans and AC are done by my father. Then, son. The blue one indicates son. He always do 15% of chores in house. Buying groceries and simple works are done by him. Then daughter. The daughter is the purple one. That means me. I also do 15% of chores in house, like making beds, making teas, etc. are done by me. Thank you.
We can see in the pie chart the color orange is blocking the most area in percentage, which is 55%. The color orange is indicating my mother. That means 55% of the household chores are done by my mother. Mop the floor, cleaning dishes, cleaning clothes, and these types of work are done by my mother. The next color is blue, which is symbolizing my father. 20% of the household chores are done by my father. The works are done by him are buying groceries. Sometimes he makes tea and wash clothes. Also, the pie chart says that 10% of the household chores are done by the son, which means me. The color which indicates me is red. The works are done by me that are cleaning fans and helping father for buying groceries, make the bed. The pie chart tells us that the rest 15% of the household chores are done by the daughter. The color light green or lime indicates her. The works that are done by her that are helping mother and cleaning the furniture. That's all about for today's presentation. Bye bye.